In my last video, I want to show you they have a lottery ticket where they take three numbers and it's 0 to 9. 0 to 9, pretty funny. And the reason it's 0 is because of this design, it's showing you the position of 0. Is it the left 0? Is it the center 0? Or is it the right 0? Left, center, and right. So each one of these, when you show 0, it's showing the 0 and then it's showing position or value according to binary, if you want to look at it that way. So when we have a combination of two numbers, we have 0, we have 0, 0, and 1 equaling to 13. 0, 0, 2. That was pretty funny. That was pretty funny. Um, anyways, so what we have over here is that any combination of two numbers, right? There's 9, 9, 9. So any combinations of two numbers, okay, of any of the 9 will give me 56. Any of the combination of the three numbers will give me 336. Any combination of four numbers, and I don't have the fourth row over here, will give me 168. 168 hours into a week. 336 days to the 12th moon. Here's the first two moons. Here's the first two moons. So we have to go 6 times this will equal to 336. So we have to double it. We have to multiply this by 6 to get over here. That'll give me 12. 1 and 2 is 3. To get from this one to this one, we have to double it. We have to double this to get here. 2 goes into 4 3 times. 2 goes into 4 3 times. And 4 goes into 3 twice. Now go figure that one out. Now these are combinations. I know I didn't use the fourth combination. And remember that the fourth combination, that when we're using it inside of numbers, that there's always a comma between it, meaning something else is coming to the world, right? So when we use the 4 number combinations, and in binary, this would be 1, 2, this would be 1, 2, 4, 8, if that was binary, 1, 2, 4, 8. And this is the first combination of Rodin's coil, 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. And that 7, 5 is the passage through the moon and Pluto through the communication of the 9 lives of the cat with the separation of the 7th gate. And I can show you all the numbers. Now in the lower part over here, I just want to show you one thing that connects to 336. That gives me 216. 216 minutes. A Mayan week, a 9-day period, is 216 hours. 21 to the cube of the high half-life, because it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, creating this number. Adding it up, it equals to 136. Add 1 through 16, 136. 136. 1 through 16 equals 136. Minus 1 through 7 equals to 28, equals to 108. And 8 equals to 116. And 8 equals to 116 or minus. Okay, just leave that alone. 164 is Zion, Israel. The difference is the 56 and the two possibilities of 9 combination. This is the Mayan week. 336 created the 12 moons. It does not complete the year. If we added 720, creates 369 in the skies created in Saturn. And if you ever look, Saturn is like this. You have 1 planet, 2 planets, 3 planets, 4 planets, and then you have Jupiter, and then you have Saturn that splits the 7th, 8th, and 9th planets. We're not going to count Jupiter. We're going to keep Jupiter out of this. We're just going to talk about the way the percentage sign of Saturn's angle has showed the rest of the way. At least this is the way I look at it. I don't want to talk about this as Uranus, right? But anyways, just leave it at that. So now you have your minutes of the day. You have your 10-4 communication. You have your Earth cat because a 4-hour period is 1/4 of the day. 240 minutes equals 16. And now we have the day in 8, 8, and 8, 24, which makes it now 1/3 of the day. And this is the half-life I'm talking about. That's where we added on the extra 24 hours, or the Mayan cycle of a 9-day period, a 9-day period, 9 days of 216 hours, okay? And 9 days of 216 hours is 432 hours to the Mayan cycle of 18 days of 20 months. That's their vibration. If we wanted to go the other way, we would have 20 days of 18 months, and it would be 240. And that would lead up to the actual quarter instead of leading up to the 12 moons. 4 hours, 10 minutes equals to Earth time. 10-4 is communication. 10-4 CB codes, BC creation, and 56, the combination of two. Here we create the masses. Here we create the DNA through the IT system of the sun, created through the queen, created through the high sky, created through the spirit, created to Mars, because this is a combination of numbers. 168 is also going to be 198. So it creates 48, 72, and 48. 9 times 8, 72. 8 times 6, 48. The difference is 24, the day of man. We're not going to add it. When we add it, we have 14 plus 1 is 14 and 15, and that's the creation of pi. When we minus it, the one from 6 and 8, we have 57 cycle of the moon, or 7, the gateway to the 5 electronics. It's a gateway, but it's a continuous. Raphael 72, 86, in a constellation of Pegasus. Add this on to the last video, and I want to thank you for watching. There's other things. Hold on. Let me just say one other thing. That we added the 720 minutes of the day rotation, right? 4 by 72 is 288. Do not forget that. And 27 when a big red sun. 27 and 30 creation through the moon when a big red sun. Thank you for watching.